Hey you guys, welcome back to Christine's World Spice. So this is the ingredients that you will need to make the Travis Scott burger that's at McDonald's. I thought it called for mayonnaise, but it doesn't, so I'm not going to add it. So you need your lettuce, salt and pepper, your cheese, your onions, your bread, your bacon, your onion, if I didn't say it already, and your pickles. And don't forget your French fries. And now I'm gonna put these French fries in the air fryer. And I'll be having another video for the opening of this knife set. I'm already in love with it. Thank you, Alexis. So first, we're going to go ahead and add some olive oil to the heated pan and then our bacon. Make sure your stove is on medium high because we're going to slow cook it. We don't want to cook it fast or it's not going to give you that golden brown look on your bacon. It's going to give you like this burnt look. You want to flip your bacon every 5 minutes. That way it can evenly cook. I cooked my bacon for about 12 to 15 minutes. And if it seems like medium high is too high, you can go ahead and turn it down to medium. So if anybody knows McDonald's or ever worked for McDonald's, I have in the past, and they don't add seasoning inside their meat. What they do is they take a frozen patty and they just throw it on the grill. And then once it's halfway done, they add the seasoning then. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to form this burger into a ball and then we're going to flatten it out and then just form it in a circle. That way you don't have any uneven circle. We want to cook our burger on medium, so add a tablespoon of olive oil. This is not necessary if you don't have lean meat. Let your burger cook at least for 5 to 7 minutes on one side and then flip it. After you flip it, you can add your salt and black pepper. I'm using sea salt mixed with black pepper. Then we'll flip them over and season the other side, and then flip them back over so they can cook some more. Now for the onion, I'm just gonna slice it in half and then slice it in like banana shapes. We are getting close to the finishing touches. So I have this heated pan, I added a little bit of butter to it, and I'm cooking it on high. I'm just grilling the toast, and I'm telling you guys, this tastes just like a grilled toast, like if you get it off of McDonald's. Next, let's go ahead and make our burger. Y'all, this burger looks a hot mess. I swear it does. And I envisioned it to look just like the burger I saw. I haven't even tried this burger though at McDonald's. So I had to repeat this process and do another burger, and I'll show you what the other burger came out after you look at this burger. But the french fries was gorgeous. Gorgeous. I love them air fried french fries. And this is what the other burger looked like after I redid it over again. This looks a whole lot better. Now this burger was really good, but I should have had grinded my own meat, like a roast beef or something. Instead, I got this meat at my local grocery store and it just didn't taste fresh to me. So I would definitely try this again with my own grounded meat. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and thumbs it up. And if you like to see more like this, please let me know in the description. I'm sorry, in the comments down below. Thank you guys. Have a great weekend.